These are the dogs which have been patronized by Archana Gorakshan Trust and Animal Rehabilitation Home, and we are giving them food regularly, medicines as required, taking care of them regularly, so that they can lead a peaceful and normal life. This particular dog has been treated. She is a female dog. She has been treated for scabies two three times because she has got a tendency to catch scabies. But now she is okay. And you can see the thoughtless and reckless expansion of road by PWD and certain other agencies, because see, the side of the road is used for by the cows or buffaloes or animals which want to protect themselves from the ruthless traffic. But see, these reckless people, these thoughtless people, they have, I think, increased the width of the this road to 15 meters. That is 45 feet. That is not necessary at all. But then it is public money, and you can waste it anyway because public is not going to interfere, and animal lovers are few and far between who will fight for them. And unfortunately, animal themselves, they cannot speak for themselves.